Hello, and welcome back to Canada Immigration Matters, presented by a regulated Canadian immigration consultant with Chugo Immigration Services. If you want clear, practical steps to improve your express entry chances in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through everything from the eligibility grid to CRS strategies, the sectors IRCC is prioritizing, and exactly what you can do to build a winning profile. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Let's get started. What is Express Entry? Express Entry is Canada's online selection system for skilled immigrants. It's how candidates for the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Canadian Experience Class, and some provincial nominee programs enter the Express Entry pool and get ranked using the Comprehensive Ranking System, or CRS. IRCC pulls the highest-ranked candidates in periodic draws and issues invitations to apply, ITAs. So, two things matter. First, your eligibility to create an Express Entry profile. Second, your CRS rank inside the Express Entry pool for you to receive an ITA. Latest Express Entry updates and trends. In 2025, IRCC continues a pragmatic approach, targeting occupations where Canada needs workers and leveraging provincial nominee programs more heavily to meet regional labor shortages. Expect more targeted draws for healthcare, tech, and skilled trades, and continued emphasis on language and work experience. Also, because provinces run many targeted streams, you can often get a PNP even if your base CRS is modest. IRCC targeted sectors for 2025-2026. While priorities can shift by province, the sectors to focus on are healthcare, such as nurses, allied health, and caregivers. Information technology, like software engineers, developers, and AI specialists. Skilled trades, such as electricians, welders, and heavy equipment operators. STEM and engineering, like mechanical, civil, electrical engineers. Early childhood education and social services, and agri-food and logistics in some provinces. If your job fits one of these areas, target PNP streams that match your occupation. That's often the fastest route. We will continue to emphasize this. CRS Overview. CRS is a 1-200-point ranking system with 4 main parts. Core, human capital. This gives up to 500 points if you are single, or 460 points for those with a spouse. Spouse, partner factors. This gives up to 40 points. Skilled transferability. This can give you up to 100 points. Additional CRS points. You can get additional points of up to 600 for PNP, arranged employment, or French ability. Remember that PNP comes with an additional 600 CRS points and almost guarantees an ITA. So, to master the Express Entry system, you should be targeting Provincial Nomination. Summary of the 2-point systems. It is important to understand that there are actually 2 different point systems. The FSWP 100-point grid. This is used to qualify for the Federal Skilled Worker Program, and you must meet 67 out of 100 points to be eligible to create an express entry profile. The second is the Comprehensive Ranking Score, CRS, 1,200-point system. This is used to rank candidates in the express entry pool. To clarify, you need to obtain the 67 points for the FSWP eligibility points if applying under FSWP, but your CRS rank determines if you will receive an ITA for permanent residence. Let us deep dive into the FSWP 100-point grid with a detailed breakdown. Let us walk through each factor with clear examples. The age factor comes with a maximum of 12 points. If you are between 18 and 35, you get 12 points. For example, a 29-year-old would get 12 points, a 40-year-old would get 7 points. Education factor awards a maximum of 25 points. For a PhD, you get 25 points. For a master's, you get 23 points. For a 3 or more degree, you get 21 points. For a 2-year diploma, you get 19 points. And for a 1-year diploma or certificate, you get 15. A high school certificate comes with 5 points. Language factors come with a maximum of 28 points. The first official language can give up to 24 points. That is 6 points per ability. Reading, writing, speaking, writing at CLB 9 or higher. A second official language can give you up to 4. So, a CLB 9 on all abilities gives you 28 points. Remember this and work hard on your language test. Work experience gives a maximum of 15 points. For 1 year, you get 9 points. For 2 to 3 years, you get 11 points. If you have 4, 5 years, you get 13 points. And for 6 or more years, you get 15 points. Arranged employment comes with 10 points. That is, a valid job offer supported by LMIA or exempt offers will give you points. Adaptability gives a maximum of 10 points. If you have studied or worked in Canada, or have a spouse or having a relative in Canada, will add up to 10 points if applicable. Reach out to us to help you calculate your express entry points and help you create your profile. Importance of language test in CLB 9 or higher. Language testing is a lever where you can often get big gains fast. In the FSWP grid, language is 28 points. In CRS, it can be up to 136 points for the first language alone. Achieving CLB 9 or 10 unlocks top CRS bands and improves skill transferability combinations. Let's show you some practical tips. Choose the right test for your strengths, for example, IELTS, Pearson, or CELPIP for English, TEF for French. Focus on the abilities that are easiest to improve first. Next, consider a targeted 8 to 12-week study plan or professional tutor for big jumps. If you're bilingual, claim French where you qualify. That can add a significant 4 bonus points. PNP Advantage and Arranged Employment. 600 points with PNP is a game changer. Remember this. Let's go over the PNP Advantage. A provincial nomination gives 600 CRS points, enough to virtually guarantee an ITA. Let us go over how you can use PNPs to your advantage. Identify provinces and territories that match your occupation and skill level. You can apply for more than one province to increase your chances of selection. Apply to streams that are open to foreign work experience or specific occupations. Some streams require a job offer. Others target in-demand skills. Some require Canadian certification. You can arrange to do a bridging program to help you with your certifications. Remember that arranged employment with LMIA job offers can also add 50 to 200 CRS points, depending on job level. Actionable checklist: tips for a winning application. Let us go over your 7-step action plan to master Express Entry in 2025 and 2026. Assess. Do a full FSWP and CRS self-audit. Know your numbers. Language. Aim for CLB 9 or higher, or retake tests if possible. Get French language proficiency and grab the extra 4 points. Education. Consider credential upgrades or an ECA. Post-secondary education in Canada helps. Work experience. Get more relevant years in NOC 0, 1, 2, and 3. Make sure to document and upload everything. PNP strategy. Target provincial streams that fit your profile. Arrange employment. Work on your network, recruiter outreach, and job portals for Canadian offers. Familiarize yourself with the Canada Job Bank. Job Class. Prepare documents, ECA, reference letters, provincial forms. Keep PDFs organized. Let us go over a few frequently asked questions. Do I need CLB 9 to apply? No. CLB 7 is the minimum, but CLB 9 yields maximum language points and improves CRS dramatically. B. How long does it take to get an ITA? It depends on the CRS and draws, but PNPs are the fastest route. C. Can I combine PNP plus Express Entry? Yes. PNP streams use Express Entry. Some nominate you while you are in the Express Entry pool, and some you need to apply for on your own while you are in the pool. D. Should I retake my language test? If you can reasonably improve, yes, small CLB gains can pay off. Final summary. In short, you need to qualify under the FSWP 67-100 if that's your route. Maximize language and education, and use PNPs or job offers to close the gap. Be strategic, not frantic. Small improvements, like raising one language ability to CLB 9, can change your CRS significantly. Thank you for spending time with Canada Immigration Matters, brought to you by Chugo Immigration Services. If you'd like personalized support, from profile assessment to application prep, reach out to us anytime. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our immigration insights. See you in the next video, and best of luck mastering your Express Entry journey. Thanks for watching and good luck.